YouTube? Hey, hello, how you doing? I go by the name of Mike T, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Now, you know what happens when something lands on the doorstep. We have to give you that review and unboxing. Now, I know we're a little bit late, probably about a week late, but I wanted to go ahead and still give you this review on this channel and let you know if you want to make that decision on picking up your pair, or if you want to just go ahead and just drop them for the resale. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get it right into it. So here we are with the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So jumping right into the packaging, nothing too crazy, pretty standard Air Jordan 4 box. You have the matte black with the matte red Jumpman and the white flight there. Nothing too crazy all the way around the box here. You just have that regular cement splatter print. Do have the size tag here, 10.5 with the retail of $190. Now for me, after taxes and everything, it came out to about $215. I do live in Texas, so that's what my taxes are. So I did pick these up for retail. I was able to pick these up off of Champs. I used my FLX points and I was able to add 3 head starts, so basically 4 total, and I was able to pick these up on the ship to me feature. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can go on the Champs, Foot Locker, Eastbay, Foot Action apps, and you can use FLX points, and basically you get those by making purchases. They give you points per dollar amount that you spend. So, and you can use those points to get head starts for further releases. So it helps out your chances of picking up a pair. Now, this is my second pickup when it comes to FLX and Champs. My first pickup was back in December. I did pick up the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays with the ship to me, and that feature is so clutch because for me, unfortunately, I can't just go to the mall and pick up a store. I pick up a pair of shoes from the store. I live in a small town, so luckily that ship to me feature comes in clutch. And again, I take advantage of that as much as I can, and I was able to pick up this pair for retail. But we'll go ahead and open up this box and jump right in. So underneath that, you do have this little thank you card, you know, basically letting you know you got these shoes for retail, whatever, from Champs. Nobody really cares about that. But inside the box, you do have this traditional Jordan 4 splatter print paper. So peel that back, and there you go. You do have the shoes in all their glory. So you have the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So basically what you're gonna notice right off the bat is this pretty much is just a two-tone color shoe. You have this black nubuck all the way around the shoe, wrapping all the way around the back and the medial side as well. And you also have these hits of crimson red wrapping around the midsole, as well as the midsole up here, the eyelets underneath the netting, and also underneath the tongue up here. So black laces on here. I don't think they came with any extra laces. So I know shoes that have been dropping like crazy here lately always come with the extra laces, which is always a nice touch. But with this shoe, is pretty much black is going to be your best bet anyway. So that's what they came factory laced with. So again, this is going to be a play off of the pair that dropped a few years ago, which was the normal Thunder, which is basically this silhouette, but instead of the hits of the crimson red, you're gonna have the hits of yellow. If you haven't seen those, I'll put a picture here so you can see what they look like, and let me know which color do you like better. Do you like the yellow pair better? Do you like the red pair better? It's just kind of your taste and your preference of what outfits you kind of have in the closet to match with the shoes. But regardless, you do have the traditional Jumpman on the tongue. They got the black patch on there with the white Jumpman and the red lettering with flights underneath. Nothing too crazy as far as anything else on the shoe. On the back, you do feature that white Jumpman instead of the Nike Air, which would have been a nice touch. But again, if you know your shoes, then you know they usually save that Nike Air for usually retro colors, colorways, or collaborations. Special collaborations. Not all of them come with Nike Air, but special ones do. So again, that would have been a nice touch, but I understand why they didn't do it. This is not an OG colorway, so I get it. And on the outsole, you do have an all black outsole. You do have a red traction pad up here, and you do have a white Jumpman on the bottom. But again, nothing too crazy. So again, I did say that retail was going for $190, you know, depending on where you live. Mine after taxes was $215. On the resale market, I believe on StockX for my size are going anywhere from $340 to about $360. So we'll just say play it safe and say about $350 for this pair. So prices have jumped up. Is it going to be a hold, or is it going to be something that you sell right away? It really depends. If you want to kind of go by the market, as far as last year was really the year of the Air Jordan 4s. We had the Topes, we had the University Blues, we had the White Cements, and we also had the Lightning 4s that all dropped. Those all had special packaging. It's kind of a bummer that this one didn't, but I guess the box kind of just does resemble the colorway, so I guess you could say it's special packaging even though it's not. But so if you looked at the trends of all those shoes, it seems like the prices have slowly all gone up. So if this is something that you want to hold, I do recommend holding. Again, this is a colorway that's kind of like red and black, so it's a little bit easier to match with. So it's just all up to your preference. Now, I did mention that we did get those Lightnings last year in 2021. I actually do have them right here. So again, the special packaging that I was talking about, they do come with the yellow finish with the gray Jumpman and the white flight there that kind of mimic the shoe. So we'll put this lid here to the side. And this is the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. Now, this was the original one that dropped. I believe it was like 06. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it was around that time when this shoe originally dropped and it first retroed back last year in 2021. Now, fast forward a few years, I believe it was around 2012-ish. Do again correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. They did come out with the original Thunder, which is this pair here, and I'll put a picture here if you don't know what that looks like, but was basically a flip version of this. So it was basically black nubuck, and underneath the netting where the crimson red was, it was basically yellow. So that's where they originally got the Lightning and Thunders, and this is just fast forward to 2021. This is just going to be the red Thunder version. So again, they basically just substituted the yellow for the red. Let me know if you like the yellow better or if you like this crimson red better. So nothing really too crazy on the inside. The insole just features a black insole with the white Jumpman. Again, it's just the air bubble does come in white, so it does add a little pop of color against this crimson red. So on the back of the tongue, you do have the Air Jordan. You know, it's just flipped down, you know, basically the traditional Jordan 4 tongue. So nothing too crazy. Let me know down in the comments if this is something that you want to pick up. This is one color that I don't necessarily need in my collection. I did mention I do have a few of the other 4s that I did pick up last year. I'm trying to downsize and be more selective this year of what I keep in my collection. So I am hooking up one of my friends with this pair. He is going to be buying this from me. So we do have this pair spoken for. But regardless, let me know if you plan on picking it up, or if you pick these up, if you plan on reselling. I love to know your thoughts and opinions. This is just something that I like to do. I like to give you these reviews and unboxings even though we don't get them first all the time. Sometimes we do get those exclusive accesses and we do bring you some early reviews, but I still wanted to give you an opportunity for my subscribers and my viewers to go ahead and take a look and let me know what you think of the shoe. But let me just go ahead and give you some detailed. I mean, you can press pause if you want to and just go ahead and take a look at the shoe. Let me know what your favorite feature is, if any feature at all, or if this is just a big drop for you. You just rather pass on this shoe, you don't need it at all. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. I do and genuinely curious to know. So anyways, guys, that is my unboxing and my review of the shoes. Please let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here. We do try to drop videos as much as we can, and we try to bring you that early exclusive looks, and we try to bring you some just genuine sneaker knowledge. So again, thank you for checking me out. I go by the name of Mike T. Peace and blessings.